From thetraderguy.com, this is Chris Lewis. I'm looking at the upcoming, it's about midday here on the 6th, so I'm looking at the 7th, British pound Canadian dollar pair. You can see that the pound has been rising. I've got the 50, 100, and 200 exponential moving averages on the daily chart. They are all spread out nicely. That's indicative of a nice momentum moving uptrend. We're well above the most important moving average, the 200. And as you can see, 100 has offered a nice floor. So clearly, the momentum is with us to the upside. When I zoom out to the weekly, you can see that we've recently cleared a pretty significant barrier, which I think extends to 180 in all fairness. So let's go ahead and zoom down to the 4-hour. At this point, I'm looking at 1.78 below. Fix that here. 1.78 below as a potential area of support. So if we can stay above there, this is a building of momentum with 1.8 above being resistance. So we're kind of in this staging area. On a break above 1.8, I think that we go much higher. I would also be interested in buying at 1.78. So you'll notice that this is a one-way trade for me. I'm either buying lower or I'm buying the breakout. In the meantime, I'm just going to be sitting here waiting to see where we go next, right in the middle of this consolidation area. If you let the market tell you where it wants to go, sometimes these moves make themselves apparent. I'd wait, probably a 4-hour close above 180 or on some type of hammer or something like that below at 178. If we break down below there, I'm just going to step away from the trade. So I have some parameters to watch. I think at that point, then we begin to look at the daily and then the weekly for a target. At this point, I think it makes sense that we go to this cluster here, probably about 181.5 first, and then climb probably to 185, which these markets tend to like the round numbers anyway. So 181.5 would be my first area of concern on the breakout. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel.